Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have another Natasha Denona Safari eyeshadow tutorial for you. This palette is currently half off right now when I'm filming this, May 1st, Friday. Now when I post this tomorrow, which will be Saturday, I don't know if it'll still be half off. However, I know quite a few have bought it, so I wanted to make sure that I was giving you some looks. So yesterday's video, we focused on this entire bottom row. Today, we are going to focus on here, and then I'll probably do 2 more tutorials where we go ahead and hit up these in the top row, all right? So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. All right, on my face for foundation, went through, shopped my stash. I have on the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation in the shade NC50. For concealer, I am wearing the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 70 NY. For bronzer, contour, I have on the Fenty Cheeks Out in the shade Chocolate. And then for blush, I am wearing the Jouer Passion Blush Cherish Me, the shade right here. Let's jump into the eyes. We are already primed. The first shade we are going to go in with is this beautiful poppin' orange shade called Tribe right here. And I'm just taking a MAC 224 and I'm going into my crease directly. And this is going all the way on the outer and then pulling it all the way onto the end, all the way in the inner corner. And I'm going to take it up a little bit higher than usual. I've been doing this with my eyeshadow recently and I love it. If you've got more space, why not utilize it? I've got a virtual makeup appointment after this. My Master Your Face is now live. So if you guys want to have a one-on-one makeup session with me, like I do in salon with my clients, one-on-one makeup lessons, you can do that with me virtually. I will leave the link down below. Look how beautiful this orange is. So pretty. All right, our next shade we're gonna go in with is Savannah. So Savannah is like this kind of like a camo green, if you will, you know what I mean? It's that kind of like dark, grungy looking green. It looks light in the palette, but on the eye, it does pop off darker. So I'm just gonna switch to a Morphe M514, and I'm just going to start with this on the outer here and just kind of pack it on. Should have did it like this for the other eye too. For the other eye, I went in with a flat brush. I think I like how it looks better with this brush. Then we're also gonna take it on the inner. Yes, sir? Hey. Huh? What do you need? 3 o'clock. For the inner, I am gonna switch over to a flat brush because I can't get in there with the other one. And we're just gonna blend this together. Wiping off that same brush, now I'm going to go back in with Tribe. All right, and then for the center, we're gonna take this tan taupey shade here with a flat brush and just pop this on like so. Super, super simple, guys. I love this shade. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna take it up a little bit higher, then going back to that brush, just blend the outsides. All right, then we're going to take a smudger brush, going in with Savannah on that lower lash line. Then to deepen it up, I am gonna go in with some brown liner by Marc Jacobs. This is the highliner. All right, then I am going to just slightly line the top here. I did exaggerate down my inner corner, my inner tear just a little, so I'm gonna pull it down just a little. And that just helps to elongate and make the eye look longer. Then we're gonna go in with our mascara and a lash. Love this look. It's definitely more of a grungier look, if you will, but I'm here for it. And then for lips, we're gonna go in with Natasha Denona Nude. I need a nude in 4B Naya. Boom. And this is our completed look. So I am gonna touch the center with some gloss here. My favorite gloss that is currently discontinued. Alright y'all, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope that these tutorials using the Safari palette just kind of gives you peace of mind, help you decide, do you want this palette, do you want to pass on it, and also just get a better idea on what these shadows look like on deeper skin tone, because I was reading through my comments the other day and someone said that they had a very hard time finding them, so I'm going to make sure that I do at least one more for you guys. So you know the deal, keep it simple, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.